click. Boom. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Distro. We back out here at top gun shows around, man. Tanner. Yeah. Laced up, dripped up, and the John Wick joint. And we're gonna get you some good access on the side though. We'll slide through and we're gonna get right to it, y'all. So stay tuned. You see where I'm at. Now you wanna see some crazy dope builds? Check this out, y'all. Look at these little baby shorties, man. Now we're over here with 300 Arms Corp. They're a staple up here at the Tanner Gun Show.
We had him last time I saw him.
On-site concealed carry classes start in about 15 minutes. There is still time to get signed up. Starts about 15 minutes. $75.
So it's good. Looks like he has a lot of bells and whistles on this bad boy. You guys do the Cerakote jobs yourself?
Yeah. So the upper and lower is a match set. We machine those in-house.
Beautiful.
Takes MP5 mags, but it has AR internals. It's 9mm. It's got the EBRV3 lever. It changes color in the light there. See that with the circle? That's the Razorback gun candy. It's got the EBRV3, which is a extended bolt release. You just open it up with your trigger finger, push down, release. Super fast mag changes. Extended mag release.
A lot of y'all looking for butter, smoothness, here it go, right here. I don't suggest a lot of these type firearms, but until they're done correctly. And you hear the sound, you see how smooth it's racking? That's beautiful, man.
Thank you.
These look like good one-off builds. You don't have to go do no shopping. All the bells and whistles seem to be
all our guns come with 3 mags, cases. We test fire everything before we sell it.
You hear
All you
them?
gotta do is add ammo and go shoot.
You hear them. It don't get no easier than that, right? You can get a little customization on the way out.
Same thing, no 5-inch barrels.
So much love, 300 Arms Corp, y'all. Go check them out. Tell them Distro sent you, man. We'll get you plugged in. I appreciate y'all. Much love. We'll see y'all soon, okay? All right, guys. Thank y'all so much.
Thank you very much.
Nice little used collection right here.
To get that hand up there, you really have to work, and it goes against. They might do this. You're naturally used to. Yeah, they might do this.
Check with him because I seen he's got some 2245s. Okay. I know he does, but you want the 2245 light. That's the one you want. Make sure you get one that has a threaded barrel. Some of them don't.
It's just a lot of things.
Yeah, I have a certain one you like, so okay, take that. If this comes off, then you got the card.
Thank you.
The other ones that aren't threaded, it still looks like this. Be careful, okay? You're welcome.
That's pretty dope right there.
You're fine. I was just he was kind of whimpering a little bit. That's why I was petting him.
Yeah, he's being a pain in the ass
No,
today.
he's not. He's being good. He's one of the better dogs I've ever seen in my life, I'll tell you that. Like, hanging out and chilling. My dog would be all over the damn place.
Mine would be upset with everybody.
I'm probably shitting people.
Oh, see how these different personality dogs? That's that old school.
Well, he's cool. He owns a Harley.
He looks like he does.
Yeah, he's all decked out.
See if we can find something special around here. Look at that barrel, it's pretty slick. There you go, ladies. Last time you seen one of those. That bad boy. That's nice. And you do these in-house, right?
No. They come from the out in Idaho.
Yeah, those are.
These ones are. I got our logo on them. And
Man.
got Pikes Peak.
Yeah, that's a Colorado exclusive right there.
Yep.
Eee, I love it. Guys, get to the Tanner. Come check my man out, man. He's got some really nice builds and some great pricing. See that 223 Wild.
Price includes the optics, the top case, and that.
And yeah, a lot of great optic choices, man. You don't get great optics with your firearm purchase. Big boy 308. It's a little heavy though. This is not bad though. It's got some good weight to it. Look at that little monster. Hey, Rock Island. Let you know that's a gold Cerakote finish on that boy. 60 DS.
Are you
Beware.
just out shopping for your friends, or just out checking it out for everybody?
I gotta make sure my viewers know where all the good prices is, boss.
What's your channel?
Yes, we're at Exquisite Tactical TV, man, on YouTube, boss. So we featured Peralta Firearms and some of these pieces and your pieces on a few other episodes that we had.
Nice.
And actually, we're about to go be shooting some of these pieces Thursday at Shooting Doors, Denver.
So you've heard about Black Rambo, right? What do you think about
Yeah, we
him?
know.
Okay, I was gonna say you must know him. Seems like a pretty cool guy.
No, he's fun.
He's
Super energetic.
He's a little skinny guy like me, so.
Yeah, he does some.
Yeah,
he does some good builds and stuff too.
Oh, he comes up with some. I'm like, where the hell did you find that gun?
Yeah, he's a real enthusiast, man. He's got a lot of good connections and stuff. They're gonna get him. There's another big YouTuber from Colorado. He's gonna have him come down and get some shoots doing with us.
That'd be nice. Well, that's cool. I watch a lot of YouTube, so.
Yeah, I'll make sure I write it down so we can
Yeah, please
get
do.
you on there so we can get some feedback from you.
Please do. And we're always up.
Nah,
and going
4-5
for a shoot,
dance.
too. At least I am.
Yeah, no, we'll definitely get some invites out to these shoots because we had quite a few in and out of town, like further out.
You ever run out to Lead Valley?
No, we own our own property. I try not to.
That makes it even nicer.
Yeah, I'll try not to do too much paying.
Because Lead Valley is out I-70 and Deer Trail, and they're so far out, and they're cool with just about.
Man, I love their long range lane.
They're
some
working
shotgun
on their
houses.
They're working on their 1,000-yard range right now. They've got a.
They got the 5
and a couple of
shotgun houses. They got a couple shotgun houses out there. I don't know if they're still out there, but
Oh yeah, they still got it. But they still let you mag dump and all that stuff. Where a lot of these places I've shot at lately are like, oh no. What are you
so
doing?
you got to go to Shoot Indoors. Go to Shoot Indoors. We shoot everything in there up to 50
really?
cal.
Where is Shoot Indoors?
So the new Shoot Indoors is in Denver on 4th and Rattan, right off the highway. And then there's one Shoot Indoors in Aurora, right off like Exposition, like Sable by the Aurora Mall.
Yeah.
So they're
'Cause
close.
I grew up in Denver in Park Hill.
Oh, that's right. 36 in Dahlia.
Yeah, and I graduated from Manual.
Yep, my mom and all them. I got uncles went there, and then mom and my aunts went to East.
Oh yeah. Those are some good schools, some good people in the neighborhood.
Look at that. But I'm gonna be real, y'all. This is what I'm coming for. If you ain't seen something really get it in, that bolt fed joint.
Yeah, right.
How much
Gotta be bolt action, mag fed.
Because he's starving.
Did your mom come?
No, my mom doesn't come to this shit. How much is this not family?
Right, you can't go wrong with that.
That or that one.
I'm about to pop this one.
Yep, I'm getting ready to trade for that other Black Aces semi auto. So yeah, we own it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is probably the best dealer in the show though, honestly.
Yeah?
Honestly.
We just walked right in and came straight here.
Yeah, he's literally the best dealer here as far as prices. So that FD12 you're looking at for $415, most of these guys are selling for $699. And I just bought a left-handed from him.
We saw that 2 weeks ago over there at the Grand Plaza.
That one, it doesn't give you that option. That's as short as it gets right there.
You're not gonna find no 250, 230, 295 shotguns. See, I like him because he rather sell a lot of units.
Let's do the up.
I had a question about them Panzers. There you go.
I saw what they are over there, but you don't have to. You can hold it anywhere it's comfortable for you. Just need a bigger purse. I want to be like a.
And the cryptic paint.
A little bit. Yeah, this muzzle brake alone is like.
Player. Oh, look at that. And look at that handle. That's slick. Got a little ugly piece of shit. Let's say mag with the laser. Wow. Steel case rounds. That's a plug. That's pretty slick right there. Bam.
You like that?
I'm a 410 guy, so yeah, that's different.
With a little holster and everything. Yeah, 410.
Right in the boot. Right in that
Or you
boot.
can do like back in the day, the gamblers. They had a leather rig that strapped to their forearm, and they'd shove it in their shirt.
Uh-oh.
And they have this thing up here, and then they'd just do this. Shake that hand. It would
And
slide
I think
down,
I've
boom,
seen something similar
right
to that on
into
a
their
movie.
hand.
You were damn right.
Yeah, it's a gambler special. They hide those little derringers in there.
I'm telling y'all, that 410 and 405 long coat.
And someone right across the table from you, you flick that, boom.
It's gonna be a quick night.
It'll be done and done in no time. No aiming, no nothing, just the general direction.
That beauty.
Yeah. It's
See,
a lot of
see that, y'all?
horsepower, though.
You're not gonna see that too often.
No.
I don't
No.
see those a lot.
No.
I love that thing. IWI. Now you talking
Baby
some
Desert
good
Eagles.
stuff. That's a real gun right there.
Yep, I had a shorter, I had a more compact version, but it went pretty quick.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got all these blank holes in my table now.
That. I know a lot of gun enthusiasts be looking for that model. Now I know where to send them. Definitely.
Yeah, we got a little bit of
I'm the
everything.
Glock guys. Look at these good old Glock prices.
Get a cup of coffee?
Okay, Canic. Got it looking like a baby 9. Little DE look.
Are you live right now?
No, I'm just getting B-roll. What's cracking with you, boss?
Okay, so this picture just showed up. I didn't see this picture.